that, and then we'll look at the next option. So for example, you can use opportunities with neither revenue line items or quoted line items. The disadvantages of this is you cannot track products on your opportunity. So there's no products at your opportunity level. At that point, your opportunity is essentially the price and the status of your opportunity related to your customer. You would have to generate a quote related to that opportunity in order to see what products are associated with that sale. This is the most basic setup because you're not entering products to the opportunity level. And opportunities can have many quotes. You could have different versions and different types of quotes related to a single opportunity that you then would close win. So when would you use a setup like this? If you do not track products and do not want to generate quotes, you could use this. If you want to track products at only the quote level, and I'll explain what each of these mean as I'm demoing.
Bear with us 1 second while it buffers, and Justin will demo what he's talking about. I think it's
all right. Looks like it's all set. So here we are looking at an opportunity with no products or quotes. In this case, we're just talking about a very basic sale. I see my likely amount is $5,000. I either don't care what the product is, or maybe I just have a very limited number of products I could track in a drop-down or even a multi-select drop-down, products A, B, C, and D here. I can track that and have really very basic information. Obviously, my sales stage, which would update automatically based on the probability, forecasting, include or exclude. And that then works with the sugar forecasting module. As I mentioned, this is the most basic way to use opportunities within sugar. This is really all it is. We do have a customer that uses sugar this way. They lease out office space in one of 6 locations, so they have a very limited list of products, building A, B, C, D, E, or F. They use a drop-down to track which office location the opportunity is for, and then track the amount of the sales stage and the opportunity, or the amount, the sales, and the sales stage on that opportunity. The other way we could do opportunities without any products associated with it would be this type of opportunity where you have an opportunity with no products where you are using quotes. So again, there's no products available down here. Up here we have very basic information. Again, I'm tracking the sales stage here at the opportunity level as well as the likely amount. But down here you'll see I have a number of quotes. I have quote 1 and quote 2 related to this opportunity. So if I click on one of these, I come to my quote. It's related to my opportunity. It has a quote number. And I mentioned previously quotes have a bunch of additional fields that opportunities don't have, things like purchase order number, payment terms. They also have a quote stage and valid until, as well as billing and shipping and quote settings, what's the currency, the tax rate, etc., things like that. And then you can add products to your quote. Here we see I have the TK M30 desktop, the reflective mirror widget. Quotes work really well. I mentioned you can have insert quoted line items. You can insert comments below that. You can insert groups. If I wanted to have different groups of products, I could do that. And then you can even start choosing products to add to that group. So in this way, you can build a number of really different options into your quote. Another nice thing about this is that out of the box, it will work with the PDF manager, so you can download invoices or quotes that include the products or the quoted line items associated with this quote. Out of the box, there's a template that looks pretty nice. You just have to update the logo and your information, and then you'd get your different products. We have that first product group we saw, product group 2 I added. I also mentioned you can reorder these things, move products from one group to another very easily. And it's going to print out in this order when you use the PDF manager to generate it. Last but not least, it has a pretty cool functionality for copying where it will copy forward your quote with all of the correct line items in the correct format. So in this way, you could have different versions of your quote. And as I said, you could have workflows that copy forward your subtotals up to your parent opportunity if you wanted to reduce duplicate data entry across modules.